Hi guys, in this video lecture, I'm going to discuss about how to install Power BI Report Builder in Windows operating system. So first here, in Google search box, right there, Power BI Report Builder. Then you need to go on this Microsoft.com site. So let's click this. Then you can get this. So thereafter, you need to scroll down here, install Power BI Report Builder. So you need to click there. Then this here or you can get, so let's click on this download. Here you can select your language. So this file is now currently downloading. MSI file is there. Now or this turn here, you need to click on this MSI file and click on OK. So welcome to Power BI Report Builder Setup Wizard. Click on Next. I accept. Click Next. This is the installation location. Click on Next. And now you need to click on this Install button. Now here you can see installing Power BI. So this turn here. After that, search here Power BI Report Builder. Click this. And here you can see new report here, table connection chart wizard map. Let's use the chart. So here you can see, let's click on this connection new SQL server that's going to use. Let's click on this build. Here you need to give the server name. So when you give your server name, automatically you can select this place database. Let's use their database. And you have two options, Windows, that's fine. You can also use the SQL server. After that, click on OK. Next. Here you can get this table. So let's select your table, EMP. And this place you can see aggregate that's come there. If you select group by, this all that's come there or group by. Okay. So let's do here. Go back and next. Now let's select EMP once again. So I'm not going to select here, making the group by. Thereafter click on next. So this here column and by line. So there you can see. So EMP that's going to give here. Thereafter this here values and this here debit number. After that, when you click next, here you can see these charts that's displaying there. So EMP-A, EMP-B, and 1020 here, 0, 20, 80 values there. Now if you include this place job, drag there. Now let's click on next. So here you can get this chart. After that, click on this finish. This chart is there. Here, let's give for employees chart or records. The next is after doing this one, click on this run. So this here you can see this is employee number, name, name. This here salary that's displaying 10, 20, 30 total deputy number is there. Now you can make that zoom. Here you can give 150 zoom size. Thereafter you can make that print layout. These options that's available. After that you can save where you or this report there. So this is how we can install a Power BI report and to create one sample report. Let's close this one and this term. So this is how we can install Power BI and create one sample report. Okay, so I hope guys this video is helpful for you. So now this video is over. So thanks for watching. See you next video. Thank you.